What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video right here on YouTube with Charleston Car Videos and Rodgers Wranglers. Stay with us. We're going to talk about the 2009 two-door JK Series Wrangler right here behind me. So here's a great-looking two-door JK Series Wrangler. It's got the X package on it. This one here at Rodgers Wranglers is ready for you to come take a look at. Bright in color, got the hard top. Also has the rough country lift kit on it. Upgraded fuel wheels with AMP all-terrain attack tires with plenty of tread because they're basically brand new tires. It's a beautiful Jeep. Yellow is definitely one of those colors that just stands out amongst the rest of the Wranglers. Definitely will get people checking you out when driving down the road. So if you're looking for a little, a little action in life and people waving at you and saying, man, you got a pretty Jeep, this is definitely one to do that in. Anyways, let's walk around the exterior, take a look at the condition of it, make sure it's in decent shape for you. Headlights look good, front grille looks fine. Lights are working, as you can see. It does have the stock front bumper and the stock front grille. And these are the OEM fenders in black. As you can see, the lights work. You do have a set of 35 by 12.5 R20s, okay? So a 20-inch fuel wheel with the rivets, with the gray and then the black, which looks really nice, with a 35 series AMP all-terrain tire, plenty of tread, great street tire, not very noisy, and also a good tire where you can get off the road a little bit and have a little fun. So you got that. Also, as you can see under here, you got your rough country performance lift kit with springs and shocks, so you're good to go there. Factory side steps, the RodgersWranglers.com, which definitely you need to check us out on there. Visit our website to see over 50 plus Wranglers available at Rodgers Wranglers. We definitely keep the Jeeps. If you're in the Charleston area, we're located in North Charleston, just down the road from the Charleston Air Force Base. This one does have the fifth wheel to match all other wheels on the vehicle. Underneath looking pretty good. For the most part, it's stock underneath the vehicle other than your lift kit. And I'm sure it has the stabilization bars and things needed, so you don't get any crazy shaking going on while driving down the road. You got your Rugged Ridge all-season mats. Looks like someone may have had some speakers in here at one time or another. Open that up. Then your back seat can fold down and flip up if you need more room. Again, you got your hard top, which is nice. If you wanted a soft top, just let us know. We can always swap out. Some people want soft tops, some people like hard tops. So whatever it is you're looking for, just get in contact with us. Let us know. Say, hey, I like that yellow Jeep, but I might want a soft top on it. If that's the case, we can always take the hard top off and put a soft top on, or vice versa. But anyways, a lot of people like those hard tops. You got your power door locks, power windows, gray cloth seats. The top's in good shape. The front comes right off. It's called the Freedom Top. And then you can take the rear off as well. This one doesn't have any window tint on it, so that kind of looks nice. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, factory CD player with auxiliary port. And the mileage on this 2009 is just around 102K. So not too bad there for a 09 Wrangler. Again, guys and girls, if you're in the market, we got Jeeps out here at Rodgers Wranglers. I mean, we got bunches of them, as you can see, all around us. Tons of four doors, and we do got a great selection of two doors like you're seeing here today. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. I'm Chad in sales at Rodgers Wranglers. Come by and see us. Visit us online at RodgersWranglers.com, and you can always give me a call at 843-552-1330. Just ask for Chad in sales. I'll help you and put you in the right direction for the right Jeep for you and your family. We'll see you soon.